Welcome to the GLAC studio. This is Gomathi Siva Sankaran, founder CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. I welcome you all to the product launch of Attract Abundance with Adi Lakshmi. This is a 40 by 50 centimeter oil on canvas painting that I have made alongside 7 other paintings in a series called Attract Abundance. That is also a Celebrate Diversity series. This particular Lakshmi is one of the goddesses, one of the 8 form of goddesses that are known for all the positive propensities of life, and I chose instead of the woman image, goddess image, I chose a little girl to also denote empowerment of girl children. This girl is from Germany, and I've also used some ornaments, references from really old German culture to adorn her as well. I have enjoyed making this painting, and also have had this experience to put this painting on a puja celebration and go through that as well. So you can find this original and also prints and NFTs available on the website. In case you are interested in learning more about how this painting was done and do it yourself, there's also a possibility via our tutorials. I hope you are also attracting abundance along with us through this Attract Abundance series. Thank you very much.